Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Power BI desktop installed, driver bitness matching your system, and reachable SQL server. Next, open Power BI and choose Get Data SQL Server. Enter the server name and database. For initial import, select Import Mode to copy data, not direct query. Use SQL authentication or Windows credentials as appropriate. Once done, click Advanced Options only if you need custom SQL. Otherwise, press OK to initiate the connection. Once you connect, the navigator shows available tables and views. Pick those you need and click Transform Data to open Power Query. In Power Query, you filter rows, remove unnecessary columns, and set correct data types. This reduces model size and speeds reports. Use applied steps to track changes and rename queries for clarity. If you need joins or merges, perform them here rather than in the report layer. Make sure to preview row counts and types before you close and load to the model. After transforming, close and load to import the data into Power BI. You then create or verify relationships in Model View and set formats, hierarchies, and measures. For performance, disable auto date/time and remove unused columns. Consider aggregations for large tables. If the load fails, check the common issues: firewall blocking port 1433, wrong username/password, driver bitness mismatch, or insufficient SQL permissions. If you still hit errors, test the same connection in SQL Server.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.